Namaste. Welcome to VDAT 1, Chapters 1 and 2, Introduction to Dharma. Chapters 1 and 2 for VDAT 1 introduce the topics around Dharma in what is Dharma, the common interpretations of Dharma, the spiritual interpretations of Dharma, various aspects of Dharma, the different names of Dharma, Dharma versus religion, components of Dharma, actions and duties based on Dharma, who should follow Dharma, how to practice Dharma, purpose of Dharma, the teachings of Dharma, and how Dharma relates to science. What is Dharma? We must understand that there is no direct definition of the word Dharma in English or any other language. Dharma derives from the Sanskrit word dhri. It loosely means to uphold or to support. Maintaining the cosmic, individual, and social order to help sustain human life in harmony with nature. Dharma is that which contains or upholds the cosmos, the orderly universe. We may also call it a value system, but values that are truly universal. We established that there is no clear definition of the word dharma, but there are some common interpretations of dharma. First, acting in the right way. Dharma determines the harmonious functions of the cosmic machine. It is a path of perfection and glory. When we follow Dharma, our hearts are full of morals and ethics. Dharma follows the natural universal laws. In fact, it is the moral law. Dharma is a spiritual discipline. It governs individuals and everyone else in society. Dharma transforms human beings. It helps us with self-realization, helps us achieve divinity. It leads us to enlightenment. It enables human beings to be content and happy. It saves us from degradation and suffering. And most importantly, Dharma guides our lives. Let us now explore some of the spiritual interpretations of Dharma. Dharma upholds the world order. This world is upheld by Dharma. It can be said that the entire world rests on Dharma. Dharma ensures the welfare of living beings. It ensures the well-being and progress of humanity. Following the path of Dharma leads us to attainment of prosperity in this world. It leads to total cessation of pain. It leads to attainment of eternal bliss, moksha. Dharma sustains the society. It maintains the social order. we must understand the righteous side will always be victorious, and that righteous side is the path of following Dharma. Dharma protects those who protect it. Dharma kills if it's killed. Dharma protects if it is protected. It is indicated by the Vedas as the beneficial to the highest good. Dharma being a multifaceted concept, we can understand it better if we introduce ourselves to the different aspects of Dharma. Dharma defines the divine law. It defines the law of being. Dharma shows human beings the righteous way. It defines our ethics. Dharma teaches us our duties. Dharma teaches us our responsibilities. Dharma gives us virtue. It brings justice. Dharma brings goodness. And most importantly, Dharma upholds the universal truth. Let us take a mathematical approach to better understand the concept of Dharma. Dharma can be explained in a mathematical equation of d equals d to the power of 3, or d equals d cubed. What are the 3 d's of Dharma? The first is divinity. It is a belief in God or in a divine power, the supreme being. Second is the devotion. It is a worship, the prayer of supreme being. The third D of Dharma is duty. It is following the righteous path of practicing ethics, morals, and virtues. Divinity, devotion, duty. D equals d to the power of 3.